Alright. See, you got the coil all frozen up. And you got this. Where this filter is, it's all frozen to the evaporator coil. So what you can do, what I was just doing, come over here when it's frozen up, put it on heat, turn it up, let all that melt right quick. So when it's frozen up like this, it means there's not enough refrigerant in the system, or you have a dirty air filter. Air filter wasn't really that dirty. So what it tells you is that in this particular instance that there's not enough refrigerant in the system. When there's not enough refrigerant in the system, it starts to ice up just because of the temperature. The temperature and pressure are directly related. So remember, water freezes at 32 degrees, not refrigerant. So when the refrigerant level is at 32 or lower and not 40 like it's supposed to be, what happens is the water that's supposed to be coming down this coil starts to ice up. We're gonna let it melt. And whatever you do, don't stick nothing sharp in these coils, because if you do stick something sharp in these coils, you're gonna puncture that line. So right now we're gonna defrost this coil and turn the heat on just to help melt it. Then we're gonna go up top and put our gauges on, and we're gonna see the pressure we have. There's probably a leak somewhere, so we gotta look for that too. Alright, so that's the easiest way to melt your coil without having to use a heat gun or anything else. Just turn the heat on for a second and let it melt. Alright, and while that's still melting, it's been on for about 10 minutes now. That coil's almost melted. You're gonna have to come back and get all this fiberglass stuff off. I recommend using gloves. These coils are really sharp. They will cut your hand. But we are gonna go ahead and go get our gauges, man, to see what pressures we got, see if we got anything leaking, which I'm pretty sure there's a leak somewhere. So we're gonna go find out.